Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Santa Fe. This particular one is a 2.2 200 PS CRDI Blue Drive Premium 4-wheel drive 5-seater 5-door with the automatic gearbox. Was registered 2018 on an 18 plate and is currently done just under 200 miles. Now the car is in Phantom Black metallic and it is a very nice car. We're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop along and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoy the video.